Gagawa po ako ng seasonal maki ng tanto, which is we call it midori. And first thing first, sushi rice and nori. Then spread lang po. Gamit po tayo ng bamboo mat. We put the salmon and tamago or egg. And iro-roll po natin. At gagamit po tayo ng avocado. And then press lang po natin siya. We use spicy mayo. And then balsamic syrup. These are seasonal maki, midori maki, which is called in English is green maki. We use the avocado because ngayon po ang season ng avocado. That's why we made a new dish in tanto. They have tamago inside and salmon. Ready na ang ating midori maki.